Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine with your Oils Diva DIY, and today we are going to get crafty with essential oils and make 3 recipes that will totally up-level your life. Our first is a screen cleaner for all of your devices. This super simple recipe only has 3 ingredients: vinegar, water, and lime essential oil. You will take a 2-ounce bottle, a little sprayer bottle is great, and you will add 3 teaspoons of vinegar, white vinegar. You'll do 2 teaspoons of distilled water, and distilled water is perfect for these types of recipes because you don't really want the minerals that are in your tap water to go onto your screen. And you'll use 8 to 10 drops of lime essential oil. Now, shake up the bottle before you use it, but don't just spray it directly on your device. Use a dry, soft cloth and spray a little bit of your new screen cleaner on your cloth to wipe down your tablet, your phone, your computer screen, your television screen. Okay, so next up is a spray to help with those pesky pests that love to invade your indoor and outdoor plants. You just need a few simple ingredients. I'm using a 10-ounce sprayer bottle that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's metal, stainless steel in fact. So you're going to take a teaspoon of Castile soap and you're going to fill the bottle halfway with some distilled water. Then add 8 drops of each essential oil: lemongrass, citronella, rosemary, and peppermint. Then you want to fill the rest of your bottle with your distilled water. Now make sure to give it a nice vigorous shake before you take it and spray it on your plants. It's perfectly safe to spray on the leaves and around the outside of your pots. Here is our final DIY of this video. It's a degreaser that works so well on all of that gunk that happens after you cook. All you need is an 8-ounce glass sprayer bottle, add 2 tablespoons of Castile soap, followed by 15 drops each of lemon essential oil and wild orange, and top it all off with some distilled water. Give it a nice vigorous shake and then spray it on your gunk and watch the magic happen. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because that goes a long way to supporting what I do here for you on this channel. And if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I add a new video. I'll see you next time. Happy DIYing!